It's this amazing coastline. There's a lot of remnant environment left. And what's very special about this land, as in all of the valley, is it's that floodplain area. They've got great water, they've got great soil, they're fantastic for grazing. The problem is that we've cleared pretty much all of them.
It was originally a denuded, horse-grazed property and had been for many, many years, and Mick's whole aim was to revegetate it and return it to its natural condition.
This project on the Painkalac Creek is just one of 33 grant programs we have running across the entire Otways landscape. We've got a number of really active project community partners working on this program.
When the opportunity for grants came up, Mick approached us and Angair applied for a grant, and we continued on from that. We probably have planted about 8,000 plants in this area.
This site is a great example of where we have some of those key threatened species are actually recorded on this site. So swamp antechinus has been recorded on this site, so one of the priority species under the entire Wild Otways program.
I think the thing that has been most fulfilling about doing it is how quickly the land regenerates. And because it's working with the plants, then we get the animals, we get the birds, we start building a complete habitat. That's what's sort of happening here.